I was outmatched. A no-name punk fighting the world champion. I fought my heart out. I dug deep and had a kick-ass song on my side. But we couldn't afford the song from the movie, so we used the sound effects from Nintendo Punch-Out.
Body blow, body blow, body blow, uppercut, uppercut, body blow, uppercut.
The swollen eyes weren't from the fight. There was a cat in the arena, and I was highly allergic. But I'd done it. The only fighter ever to go the distance with the champ. But in that moment, there was only one thing I could think about.
Peter, the Rothko exhibit at the museum is reopened. Are you busy last week?
She had nailed me. I was, in fact, free last week.